top 7 online video hosting platforms for online courses, websites, and app. People consume millions of hours on Facebook videos and even 5 times more hours on YouTube, another social media platform. In the present computerized world, online training is blasting. The eLearning business sector is ready to develop to $325.10 billion by 2025. When making pre-recorded videos, picking an online video hosting stage to have them on is one of the most significant choices you'll make. Key features of video hosting platform for online courses. Customizable video player. An extraordinary video hosting platform gives you a chance to redo the video player on your site. Video API. When doing your video stage correlation, check for a hardy API that enables you to fuse the stage legitimately into your current frameworks. Video analytics. Great video facilitating destinations give you instruments to follow and examine diverse video durations. Content delivery network. CDN is another significant part of video hosting for online courses. Term quantity of videos. What amount of video length does it support? Do they offer plans that can be modified to meet your particular needs? Security. Every platform gives distinctive security alternatives that might meet your requirements. Support. Choose a platform with good 24/7 hours support with a good help desk. Best video hosting sites for online courses. VideoCypher. The key features are the highest security from video piracy through Hollywood-grade DRM encryption and watermarking technologies, and smoothest streaming at slow connections due to optimized encoding at lower sizes. YouTube. YouTube is also a video hosting platform with more than 2 billion active users. It gives you the choice to make playlists, so you can make a playlist to build your substance's utilization. Panopto. The Panopto is a business video hosting platform for online courses from businesses and colleges across the world. They promote themselves as a one-stop search for overseeing, live streaming, recording, and sharing video content. Cultura. Make training progressively intuitive, connecting with, and open. Cultura offers the broadest arrangement of video, the executives, and creation instruments available, firmly coordinated with each IM. Vimeo. With Vimeo, you'll get the good-looking interface for distributing your online video courses. Wistia. Wistia is a good video hosting platform solution for entrepreneurs. It offers amazing examination tools and gives you a chance to screen different video commitment measurements. Brightcove. Brightcove is also a video hosting platform that is enthusiastic about online courses. Brightcove helps their clients center around utilizing video to move their business in important ways, regardless of whether that is in communicating or distributing, showcasing, or venture interchanges.